Okay. Now I will take for A. His question is that I would like to have a general reading again and please focus on my career. I'll say A, if I see your horoscope, you are a great messenger of peace. I mean to say you are a great lover of peace and a great messenger of peace because you are your horoscope is very good. Your moon, which is full moon, is placed in a house of work. So you will be engaged in public welfare activities. Somehow there will be some association with public welfare activities, and you must attain a good name and fame in a very young age. See, one thing I would like to say that in your horoscope your ascendant is only 1 degree. I am taking the time of birth which you have given. If this is correct, then these predictions should be quite good. Because in very young age there is indication that you will earn name and fame, and you'll be quite resourceful and intelligent with a zeal to win, quite intelligent and resourceful person, and whatever you think in your life, that whatever you are aspiring for, you can get in your life, because your stars are like that. Your sun and Mercury is placed in your Kendra, 4th house, moon is placed in your 10th house, then Jupiter is placed in your 5th house, and Ketu is placed in your house of 12th house, which gives you house, spirituality. So your horoscope is quite good for that. At present, for some obstacles may be there in your career and success, but substantially results will be quite in your favor, though there may be some obstacles at present. And I will suggest that you should wear this power bracelet, because power bracelet is quite good for getting your power and getting, removing those obstacles from your life. So that is comprised of 10 facet Rudraksha, 1 facet Rudraksha and 12 facet Rudraksha. And then one emerald will be quite good, because that emerald will bring luck to your life. And if you want to keep one yantra, you can keep one Ganpati yantra at your place of worship. That will be quite good for you. So good luck, A. And the next horoscope, the last horoscope I will take, this is for B, and she says that I would like to have a general reading, and could you suggest me some remedies for my better married life. If I see this horoscope, this is, you must be a very affectionate person, and I must say love hungry, always demanding some kind of attention, and very practical in life, because your planetary position says that you are a very resourceful and very good in making things positive as per your wish. So, and your personality is quite impressive. You can impress others, and very influential but emotional also, at times quite emotional. And so I will suggest rather to control your emotion at times. Don't make things negative, just giving more importance to your emotions. Just try to control a bit of them. And because if people may take adverse advantage of your emotions, and otherwise your horoscope is quite perfect, and if you want to achieve some property also, this is quite good and balanced, that since already you are 53 born, so I'll say that you must be leading a very balanced life, and quite good and very affectionate family and balanced life you are leading. And but the only problem is that if I see in your past, you have suffered at times, you have suffered a lot also, and because of continuous intervention of something or the other. Though this time I'll say there will be a balanced life, but at times there were some obstacles and there were some interventions. So now, just to have a happy life or balanced life afterwards, I'll say you should keep one Surya Yantra. Surya Yantra will be quite good for you, because the sun is placed in your Lagna. Then one blue sapphire you can wear, because your ascendant is Capricorn. So blue sapphire will be very good to improve your personality and give you more confidence. and then you can wear the success pendant for Rudraksha in the form of a armlet or in the form of a bracelet. That will be quite good for you. So good luck B, and I'll say you just control your emotions. Thank you. And for any inquiry, you can always contact me at my email address, and I'll reply to your queries, or you can just order anything from our website. So wish you a very happy, I'll say a very happy life, and your time you can enjoy. Thank you.